Meet the playful marmoset, a tiny wonder of the jungle. These little monkeys are just about the size of a squirrel. Marmosets are super social and love to hang out with family. They often live in family groups, sharing food and fun. Did you know they communicate with cute chirps and whistles? These little guys are great at climbing and jumping around. Their diet includes fruits, insects and tree sap. Yummy. Marmosets are known for their adorable expressions and antics. They play a vital role in their ecosystem by spreading seeds. Like and subscribe for more fun animal adventures.